Ito, babay ako ba?
Want Papa forever.
It's okay lang.
I want chips.
It's okay lang. Makambak mo sa papa. Next year.
But I want you forever and ever and ever. I want you with me forever, not to come back.
Not to come back to my work. Hmm? Ang baby ko.
Thank you. Buddy, where you been?
Town. I'm starting a band with girl in it. Oh, fun fact, I almost got my butt kicked on the way.
What are you talking about? Who?
Neanderthal kids. It's okay because Woody's sick. The woodpecker. Dog. Man's the best. Or, last I remember that stupid bird.
I'm gonna be.
Papa, what that snow coming?
Have a room.
There's no.
Oh,
I smell
and in
something
case you were wondering,
stinky.
nobody in town.
Stinky?
is
Maybe
happy
that is
about the
pork.
Yeah.
Can you believe that?
Well, what's wrong with us? Don't you understand how great this is going to be for their property values?
No, Max. I'm talking about her
Dirty yun, guys. Stop lang sa akin na.
Mm.
Look at your teeth now. Nagabuslo na. Just like pakul na isda. Like this one. Like that pakul. Pakul na isda kaya like this.
Finish with you. Now maybe you need to go back home. But man,
Wait lang guys.
this top of the food chain. So
Bye.
how are you? I'm
Bye. See you next year.
before you land on my refrigerator.
See you next year. Nandun mo.
Really?
See you next year, ate kay. Bye-bye na papa. Yan, kiss na.
Papa, stay with me ever and ever and ever and ever.
Stay naman si papa. Forever and ever.
I want you all the
But I
day.
need to work.
I don't want to work for you.
Let's last longer these trees. Life is long.
Gusto nyo mag-work, Kai?
Doing this long time.
If papa not have, if papa no work. I didn't breathe.
Papa, look at me. Look at this when I in my bunks. In my bunks. Look at that. I'm gonna look at this is my bunks. Look at that.
Mary?
Gansan mo na, Alab. Alab, ang password.
There's nothing to do here. Nothing to do here. You're getting ready for the cement. That's cool. Looks like what you know.
Bye.
And find something to do. Anything.
Get back.
Buli. Stand up na. Mga bamyungin mo sa table, oh. Very flat ka. Sharp. Sharpie. Hindi mag-sit down dyan. The floor is dirty. You need to go there to your mom. Maita ko muna.
SUV!
What other thing works?
Madam.
Only one way to find
Si Madam
out.
King. Love.
Come on. You don't want to fuck it.
Stand up na. Stand up. Stand up na. Mas ito. Tayo, hindi mag-sit down dyan.